is your name?
My name is Jay Rajak.
My name is Matthew.
I'm Day Kim.
My name is Sanjana.
My name is Dhruvabrata Ghosh Tasida.
Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel Gradus India. This is Kushagrati Chopra
And this is Sapna.
We are here at India's biggest AI Summit 2026. And today we'll be talking to people about AI. So Sapna, are you excited?
Yes, I am very excited, and we will be interacting with people's like their AI mentality, how they think about AI. So this is it.
Yes. So stay tuned and let's get started. Hi, what is your name?
My name is Devashish.
My name is Ridham Belly.
Okay. So I just want to know how you are enjoying this AI Impact Summit 2026.
So this summit is quite the lofty. Like we have a lot of companies, you have a lot of delegates, a lot of startups coming in. So in that sense, it's really wholesome. It's covered all the edges. So you can, go towards AI on the edge, AI in networking, AI in security. So everything is covered. And we have not missed a single topic or domain in that sense. So it's a very fulfilling experience all in all. But since we are using AI 24/7, it's a bit overwhelming because you see it daily and then you come and see it here. Although it's really enriching, but again, from my perspective specifically, since we are software engineers working with AI most of the day, it's a bit overwhelming.
I just want to know about your experience. How do you treat AI as a different thing for yourself in daily life?
For me, I think it's just making me lazy because it helped me in the codes and all. In the initial days, we write code ourselves, but now we just send a prompt to AI and it gives the architecture. Then we just edit it and make our work easy. So yeah, it's making our work easier, but I think our brain is working less, so little bit I think it's.
Okay, so how do you believe in that? Like, how much do you have believe in this fact? Like, AI will take away jobs. Like, what do you think?
Oh, yeah, well, that's the hot question nowadays, no doubt. It's not AI is going to take jobs. My belief is that it will optimize, it will help. It will definitely not take away jobs. It will just push humans towards the edge of already existing, let's say, roles. So let's say if you are a software engineer, instead of problem solving, you'll move to problem framing. Problem framing because you'll have to frame it for the model or the co-pilot, whatever you're using at work or maybe at your site. You'll have to frame it for that to be able to understand and help you boost your productivity. So it's like a double-edged sword in a sense, yeah.
I just wanted to ask this same question from you because as you mentioned the lazy part, and I want to know, like, how do you think that it will be replaceable?
I don't think that it will give us all the solutions because it is.
Exactly.
Yeah, it can help us doing the work faster, but at end of the day, it's like we are the one who can do we can understand the humans and we can understand the problems the way AI can't. So I think it will cut the people who don't have much good skills in their work field. But if you are a skilled person, then of course you are always better in AI and you will stay in your field. It will not affect your job.
Torrance, California.
Okay, that's great. And what do you do?
So I own a company that is studying coherence practices.
Okay, that's great. So you came here for AI event, AI India's event.
Yes, correct.
And what's your purpose? Like you came here for AI?
Yeah, so I've been using AI since November of 2022 when it first dropped. And I've been building, aggregating. We're living in the golden age right now in terms of human knowledge, traditions, frameworks, every branch of science, every branch of spirit, every branch of art. We have access to that. And with AI's capacity and capabilities to aggregate all of the information together, we are in a really opportune time window to find the hyper invariants, which are the first principles that are underlying all of these different context, instantiated versions. So this is, we're here to just.
So you are living in California, right?
Yes.
So in your country, people are using AI like how much in their day-to-day basis in their work?
I would say for the majority of people, they're using it for very basic things, just for like extracting information. I don't know a lot of people that are actually using it as a recursive mirror for coherence and aggregating data. And so, yeah.
And do you think it kills the creativity of people mindset if they are using ChatGPT for different purpose? Like if they want to write something, they just use the ChatGPT part.
Yes, actually, that is a huge problem right now. And in our younger generations, it's like the first generation where the IQs and reading levels, comprehension levels, mathematic levels have dropped significantly. And that's we saw that with like cell phones when you didn't have to. I don't know, you look pretty young, but before cell phones, you had to memorize the strings of numbers. And now that you don't have to do that, like our short-term memory and processing power, all of that has gone down significantly.
It's a myth. People are always saying that AI will replace your job after 5 years or after 10 years.
So actually, that's something that I've been following for some time, and it is on a trajectory for that. In fact, just a few days ago, Anthropic, they released the Claude 4.6 model. And now they're using, and there's a reason why AI decided to focus on code first, because that's the skeleton key. And now they're using their own AI models to build better AI models. And what that's doing is it's actually compressing the time windows. And the current trajectory is that most of our jobs that humanity is doing, AI will take over, starting with the information tech jobs, and then eventually with bots and everything.
If someone come from non-tech background and he want to switch into tech background for the highest paying job, he want to switch.
Yeah.
So basically what they should do?
What they should do? Well, there's a transition period, so it's not going to happen overnight. So right now, if you want to get into tech, you're learning how to use AI. AI is not going to replace all the jobs yet. AI is going to replace people who know how to use AI are going to be in high demand in the marketplace.
And which AI tool you use most in your work?
I started with ChatGPT with OpenAI, but lately I've actually started exploring a lot more. I've been using a lot more Grok and Claude, and I'm really actually liking the Claude's new model, the 4.6 Opus. It has the biggest context windows for the particular work that I'm doing. It's really important to draw in a lot of documents and have those, the bigger bandwidth. So yeah.
Hello, which college you guys are from?
ILM University.
Okay. What subject you guys are pursuing?
CSC.
Okay. So I just want to know that which AI tool everybody use regularly?
ChatGPT, Gemini,
Perplexity, Notion.
Okay. तो ये इतने सारे आप tools use करते हो, क्या difference है? क्योंकि सब अलग-अलग तो है ही, तो कौन सा best tool है and why do you use it?
ChatGPT थोड़ा सा चैटिंग टाइप के लिए अगर आप बात करना चाहते हो तो वो ChatGPT उसके लिए है, लेकिन अगर थोड़े आपको समरी चाहिए, थोड़े रिसर्च पर्पसेस के लिए तो आप Gemini यूज़ कर सकते हो।
अगर वेब से बहुत सारी वेबसाइट से रिजल्ट चाहिए एक साथ कंबाइन होगी तो परप्लेक्सिटी उसके लिए बेस्ट ऑप्शन है।
Okay.
इमेजेस जनरेशन के लिए जेमिनी पर प्रेफर करता हूँ मैं।
और जैसे ग्राफिक्स बनाने या कुछ भी तो उसके लिए मैं वो नैपकिन AI यूज़ करता हूँ।
Okay. So Mr. Matthew, where are you from?
I mean, originally from France, and I've been working for quite some time now in India.
Oh, great. So I just want to know what is your perspective? Like AI is a good thing for people or it can be a threat in future time?
It can be both. It depends on what we do with it, right? So there is a balance to find out about whether or not the innovations that we are conducting with AI will actually drive progress for humanity, considering the intense load in terms of energy, in terms of carbon emissions that AI represents. Because AI is a very physical event after all. A prompt is a physical process. All right?
So how do you see AI in next 10 years?
Wow, that's quite a question. In the next 10 years, I think that we are going to see more and more autonomous, AI, in the sense that it's going to be more and more embedded into our everyday life. I think that for students that you're working with, that you're helping, they will have to take into consideration how AI is going to obviously be a part of our lives. And again, the question now is about what do you do with AI? How can you change society? How can you change society for the better, right? Like how do you try to somehow change the world in your own way? Just like when you were a child, like you had dreams, and today AI allows for those dreams to manifest in the reality faster than what it used to be the case.
That's completely true. But as we have seen, people are literally using AI tools a lot. Either they are misusing, or on the other side, they are using for the better opportunities and everything. I just want to know what AI tool you use for your daily work.
We work on the environmental impact of AI, which means that we try to calculate very precisely the actual impact of a prompt that you make on ChatGPT, of an API key that you use of one of those providers. We have taken it down to the token level, which is that one unit of measurement that we use with AI. That's how we price AI today, like how OpenAI prices you. Now, what measurement allows us to do is to understand precisely how this is actually impacting in real time the use of those tools. Let me just give a few examples. When we talk about sustainability, we talk about the energy that's being deployed for those data centers to operate, for this infrastructure to allow you to use AI and to use any kind of IT systems. We talk about the water as well that's being used to cool those data centers. So some massive amounts of energy, of water that are being used for these kind of activities. And today there is no measurement of that in real time, like knowing exactly the cost per token, the actual carbon per token, the water per token, the water per prompt. When you actually type something on ChatGPT, can you actually imagine the impact of your prompt? So we are building those instruments of measurement so that it can help people to actually make wiser decisions, I would say.